Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss Standard 7 Bio Plant and Animal Tissues Part 2. So here we are going to discuss the kinds of tissues. So there are two kinds of tissues. First one, meristematic tissues. Second one is permanent tissues. How many types of tissues we have? There are two kinds of tissues. First one, meristematic tissues, and second one is permanent tissues. Let us discuss the first one, meristematic tissues. So meristematic tissues they are made up of actively dividing cells. Here we can say that meristematic tissues can actively divide the cells. They can divide the cells actively. And the function of meristematic tissue to divide and help the plant to grow. It is the function. And where it is located, the location, they are found at all growing points in the plant, like the tip of the roots, stems and branches. For example, if you see a plant growing, so how it is growing? Because of the meristematic tissue it is growing. You can see new leaves will be arising, a stem will be growing long, the branches will be appearing, and you can see the under the ground there are roots which develop. So these all because of meristematic tissues only. So let us discuss once more. Meristematic tissues, they are made up of actively dividing cells. Function of meristematic tissue is to divide and help the plant to grow. Location, they are found at all growing plant points in a plant, like the tip of the roots, stems and branches. Now let's see the characteristics of meristematic tissues. First one, the cells are small. Second one, the cell walls are thin. Third one, the nuclei are large and conspicuous. Fourth one, the cells are almost without vacuoles. The cells actively divide to add new cells. These are 5 points. These are 5 characteristics of meristematic tissues. You can learn at least 3 of them. So second one is a permanent tissue. Let us discuss about permanent tissues. So these tissues do not divide. So as we have studied in for meristematic tissues that those tissues actively divide, but here the permanent tissues do not divide. They become specialized and remain same throughout their life. The function, what is the function of permanent tissue? The permanent tissue form the bulk of the plant body. Second, that is location, they are located throughout the plant body. So function is the permanent tissue form the bulk of the plant body. Location, they are located throughout the plant body. So here after permanent tissues we are going to study about the different types of permanent tissues in the next class. So thank you.